unlock a new dimension of creative power by seamlessly integrating Nano Banana's advanced AI directly into your Adobe Photoshop workflow. First, ensure you have Nano Banana properly installed and activated within your Photoshop environment. You should now see the Nano Banana panel accessible, usually found under Window Extensions or directly in your toolbar. To begin, select the layer or image you wish to enhance then. Explore the diverse iPod tools offered by Nano Banana, for example. Let's say you want to intelligently upscale an image without losing detail. Simply choose the AI Upscale option within the Nano Banana panel and adjust any available parameters, like the desired resolution multiplier click process, and watch as your image is transformed. But Nano Banana goes far beyond simple enhancements need to remove unwanted distractions with surgical precision. Navigate to the AI Content-Aware Fill or Object Removal tools. With a few clicks, the AI intelligently analyzes and seamlessly replaces the selected area, leaving no trace of the original element. This is invaluable for retouching product photos or cleaning up scanned documents. For breathtaking artistic transformations, explore functions like AI Style Transfer or Generative Fill. These allow you to apply the artistic essence of one image to another, or even generate entirely new elements based on your prompts. By integrating Nano Banana, you're not just editing. You're collaborating with cutting-edge artificial intelligence, pushing the boundaries of what's possible within your familiar Adobe Photoshop workspace experiment with its vast capabilities to dramatically boost your productivity and elevate your creative vision.